favor John and teacher and maybe classmates. I don't know. First, my name is Caleb Jair Estrada Alvera, and today I'm going to talk about my final project. And one of the context of this topic and the project is that it's made with Ionic, and this is a one open source framework for developing an hybrid mobile application, which translates as being able to develop an application for iOS, the cell phones, the Apples, the iPhones maybe, Android, and the web, and that's once we have the so once we have the concept of this topic, let's talk about the project. This is my project. This one. Great. And to be able to enter, you first have to register a user like this one, Samuel. And if you are ready to have one, as my case, we will put the username and password. And it should be that is fully functional. And we have registered user in the way I will enter that. Like in my case, I go to enter with this one. Give me a second. Like you can see, it's super functional. You can go enter if the information is ground, so that it's good for the explanation. So I go to register one of them again. And I'm ready. And once inside the system, we will have the drop down. This one. This is a drop down. Is a menu with a start, entry, author, and the exit. So let's go one of them. Well, all of them, but to explain it, in the what you want to write appears in the menu. It registers date of the notes and of course in the writing information like this. In this software is a private notepad, so is if you want to write in like I don't know maybe a important event, you can do that like this one. I don't know maybe and you uh, go in this one. In the end, in the input section, the notes mentioned above are registered like this one. December 4 is this one. Enviar la tarea del profesor Romo. So right there are registered and saved. In the author section, you can see information about the person who created the notes, like his photo, and the full name, the ID, the email name, use the email name, and the exit section. You can exit the software, and after doing so, you will receive a confirmation message. Is this one? Deshacer sesión. Depends if you can still in the software or you can go. Let us see or no. In my case, mm, And that's all for me. This is the software. It's easy to understand and very intuitive. And if you need to see what are you save again, you can enter again and see the request information with your username and the password like this one. And this is the information you can see in the entries or input section is the same. And this is one of the advantage of the Ionic is that it makes easier and faster for developers to send user interfaces, and you can do components library instead of having code of viral when. So it's very easy to learn this software and this final project. So that's all of me.